Welcome to My Restaurant Rules, and what we're going to do today is we're going to go to our newly coloured index or home page, and we're going to add a button. Now previously we've made two buttons, one called Food JPEG, but then we'd put it into Photoshop and change it to a PNG. And the PNG button, of course, means that it will not have a background. I'm going to put a little predictive text in here. This is going to be our menu button. I'm going to click on that like so, and it should load. Fantastic. That's gone in there like so. Now it's a little bit large. So what I'm going to do is to go down the bottom, because we've got this selected, so the properties for the graphic will come up. And what I'm going to do is say, okay, let's change that to 100. Now because we've got our little lock here selected, that will mean that it will stay in proportion. I can click like so. Gone a little bit too small, I'm going to change that to 200 and make it a little bit bigger. Done. Now I go Command S and that will stay on the page. The next thing we want to do is we want to adjust this graphic. So what I need to do is edit with Adobe Photoshop. And what that should allow me to do is open the graphic in Photoshop. Let's make sure we have got everything not selected, and then of course I'm going to go select, and I'm going to select all. And then what we need to do, of course, we're going to come down to this little button on the right hand side called Effects. We go to Bevel and Emboss, we click on like so, and we move that one there, we move that one there, and we're going to move that one there a little bit. And what that has done, of course, is made the button 3D. We go okie dokie, lovely, that's great. The next thing I want to do, of course, is I want to put some text over the top. So I'm going to go text, and I'm going to click that over the top, which has made a new text layer. We need to make sure we've got something that's Mexican-y looking, and I selected rosewood, which is all well and good. And I'm going to go, okay, M-E-N-U, so it's menu. And we're going to make that a little bit bigger, 60 points, we might even make it bigger than that, 72 points. I'm going to click it over the top there like so. And then we can select it and we can drag it around. I believe I can probably make it a little bit bigger again. I can reselect it by going on there. Let's go to 150 points. And then of course what I can do is I can leave that in place like so. And if I want to, I can skew it and change it. I go to File and I go to Save, and that should now have automatically saved over the top of my button. I go Command S and that should be saved as a graphic. The next thing I need to do is to link, and to link it's very easy. I need to find the menu page, which we'll add on later, and then you can very, very easily use this button like so to point to where you want to actually make that button a hyperlink to another page. Thank you.